Hi, Dimitri here, and I'm here today to talk to you about some physical therapy advice that will help you keep up with your daily exercises following a knee or hip surgery. So, there are a few reasons why people have a hard time keeping up with their daily rehab programs, those reasons being pain and fear. So, after any kind of surgery, people have a natural fear that they might re injure themselves during the rehab process. But what you need to understand is that the likelihood of re injuring yourself during rehab is very low if the program is both effective and done consistently. That's key. The next reason being pain. So, after any kind of surgery, you'll feel pain in the affected area, and you'll likely feel pain during the first couple months of the rehab process. But what you need to remember is that the pain is temporary, and exercise actually helps to reduce pain over time. So, the functional gains and the long term benefit far outweighs the pain that you're feeling at the moment. Please check out our blog for the full article.